Hey, how's it going everyone? Silas Haig here, and in this video I want to show you how you can make money just by browsing the internet and also save time while you do it. And it's all thanks to this browser called Brave, which is similar to other browsers out there like Chrome, Safari, Firefox, but it's just got a few extra little things to it which make it that much better. So before I get into it all and explain what it is and how it's so much better than the other browsers out there, I just want to show you that I actually use it and my earnings every month, so that I'm actually this is something I do use every month. So if we go straight into my rewards here, and you can see this is my account. This is the estimated pending rewards per month. So $7.77. And this is my total amount here, and this is how I claim my rewards every month. So I'll claim my reward for this month right now. So it just asks me to prove that I'm human. So I've just got to drop that onto the triangle target. And there we go. So that's my reward amount. And then if you have a look here, if you go to my monthly statement, this is just to give you an idea of how much you'll get every month. So, you're not making loads of money every month, but if you get a few dollars a month doing something you do anyway, why would you turn it down? So as you can see, it's very simple and straightforward. This is the past few months, $5 there, $5 there in March, and again $5 in February. So roughly $5 a month, just doing what I do anyway. So it's pretty cool. So that's just showing that I actually use this. So what is Brave? So it's a free web browser that you can use every day, and it blocks ads, and you also have the option to get paid if you turn the ads on. So it's similar to Chrome. It was actually built off the same foundation that Chrome was on, but it's safer, it's quicker, and you can make money with it too. So as you can see here, we want to take a long look through this page. But it basically shows you that it blocks websites from tracking you, and like this, loads up to 6 times faster than Chrome, Safari, and Firefox on mobile and desktop. So it's actually quicker. And you can see here, it tells me I've estimated time saved 4.2 hours by using this browser rather than any of the others. And it tells you how many ads and trackers it's blocked, and lots of other good stuff. So so basically, like, all those skippable ads that you see on most sites just aren't there anymore when you use the Brave browser. So what happens instead is, if you actually want to earn a little bit of money with it, you don't have to, but you can turn on the ad notifications, and you'll basically get like a kind of non-disruptive small little ad that will pop up in the corner. Like, it usually just pops up in the bottom corner of my screen. And it's relevant to you. Like, you can choose on your ad settings your preferences for the ads, and then if you click it and you check out the site, you'll get paid. And it doesn't share your info with anyone or store your data. So it's just based on your ad preferences and how many ads you say you want to get notified about. But as it says here, it's kind of like frequent flyer, just for browsing. So you can set the number of ads you'll see per hour, and you can collect it through that. So when you actually click the ads, you get paid in BAT, or basic attention token. Now, I don't want to make this sound too technical, but it's a cryptocurrency project, and you're rewarded in that cryptocurrency. And then it can then be exchanged for dollars or whatever you'd like. As you can see here, it shows you the kind of exchange to dollars right now. So you don't really need to, I don't want to make this really technical and all that. You don't really need to know anything about crypto, to be honest. All you need to know is just how to get everything set up, which is very straightforward, and then you can start using it as well. So the best way to do that is I'll actually leave a link which in the description, and it is an affiliate link, so I'll get a small reward if you go through that link. But if you don't want to go through my link, you don't have to. You can just Google Brave browser, and the same page will just pop up. So it's just brave.com. And then you literally just click download and install it. And then it will take you to, once you've done that and opened it up, this is what a new tab looks like. and then you can just go to learn more down here, and it'll take you to your account. And here it says it's just got some information for you here. So it tells you it's usually pay like every month. It tells you how many ad notifications you've had each month. And then if you go to the ad settings, you can change, say, this month you only want 1 ad per hour, or you don't want any. You can also change it to have no ads. And it's simply just a little notification that pops up in the corner. You can also, if you like a particular website, you can actually donate some of your tokens to them as a kind of like a just supporting that site. So that's another cool thing that Brave does. So what happens is they pay it to your wallet, which is on the right-hand side here. It'll say create new wallet, and you just click that and create a wallet. You have to create it through, it's called Uphold, and that's just a crypto wallet, and it's very easy to set up. It takes like a minute, very secure and everything like that. So that's pretty much all you do. It takes about 5 minutes to get everything set up, and then you can just pretty much use it like you'd use your normal browser. But you can get rewarded for clicking ads that are kind of tailored to you, and and you can just earn rewards with it. So it's great. So I've been using this for a while now. I'd say about a year, and it's fantastic. So I hope this video has been helpful. Enjoy browsing. I hope you check out the Brave browser. As I said, I'll leave a link down below, so go through that if you'd like to. And other than that, I'll see you in the next video.